Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So, without further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial, Finance Hustle will help you earn money online by using Facebook for free. It has various of payment methods including Skrill, PayPal, and Bitcoin. This website is free and available worldwide, so make sure to follow along until the end of this tutorial. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. You must first go to this website, which is called superpay.me. Before I reveal the secret Facebook method, we can truly make a lot of money every single day with this brand new method using Facebook Messenger and combining it with SuperPay. So remain connected and keep watching to learn every step of the process. Today, we'll discuss about their incredible referral program. This, I believe, is where the magic happens. You don't have to jump through hoops. Simply copy and paste your unique referral link anywhere on the internet, and it'll start pouring cash for us. It's a lot simpler than most people think. But before we go into the details, I'd like to show you all of the people that are making money every day using this method. This list is updated every 10 minutes, so you'll see new people and payments being made to people all around the world. By scrolling down, we can see all of these payment proofs. Our strategy is employed by tens of thousands of people who routinely make money on this website. Please bear with me for a moment while I lead you through the entire process of registering for a completely free account. I'll even demonstrate how to make money online with Facebook and Facebook Messenger. The first thing I want you to do is enroll for free by clicking this link. Then click this link to go to this website. It's really just a simple sign-up process, and all you have to do is fill in your information. The following information is required: your name, email address, username, and current location. As you can see, they accept practically everyone from any country on the planet. So it makes no difference where you are as long as you have internet access. Right now, you may register for free. Simply complete all of the relevant fields and click the Create New Account button. After you've created your superpay.me account, we may now go to the next website we'll be using. This website's domain name is irazu.com. Using this website, you can earn free gift cards and cash. They already have a track record of awarding all of their members with significant monetary prizes. This is how things work. You can register for free on this website, then start watching movies and earn points. You can begin by following this link, which will take you to the page where you can sign up using your Facebook account or your email address. This appears to be the case. Once you've logged into your Irazu account, click the Refer a Friend button to see how much money I can make on Facebook whenever I post something. If you stay with me, I'll walk you through the steps afterwards. Stay with me and don't skip a bit because I'll show you the scripts and templates I use. Take a look at the page before you sign up for Irazu. You can truly refer your friends to the website, and they'll get 500 points if they sign up using your link, and you'll get paid. As you can see, introducing a friend might earn you anything from 100 to 500 points. I know you're curious, so I'll show you all you need to know in this video. Connect your Facebook account now, either on your phone or on your computer, and search for Make Money Online in the Facebook search bar. A number of results will display as a result of your search. Now, you'll select the group option from the drop-down menu. We'll be able to filter out all Facebook groups related to money-making online this way. Filtering the results is the next step. We need to be sure that groups we'll be joining or posting to are public. we can see all of the groups that have been set to public now that the filter has performed its duty. You don't have to request admission to these groups, so you can post whenever you want after you've joined. As you can see, there are a number of groups on here, some of which have hundreds of thousands of members and postings, and we may now join them for free. Let's push the button right now and you'll be there in no time. Let me give you an example. As you can see, this group has a large number of people contributing links, many of which are referral links or referral codes, exactly the same as the ones we'd want to promote. The issue is that many people have done this on various groups on a daily basis. Now, pay close attention because what you're going to do is a tremendous mistake. Why? Because the bulk of group members simply spam referral links and referral codes in the group. And because Facebook groups, moderators, and admins are now rather bent on banning and booting these people out, they have been going about it absolutely improperly, as you would have anticipated. Don't you believe it's a ruse when people spam links and codes like a robot? I'm going to provide you this template for free in order to prevent this from happening to you. So here's the script I use, and you can use it too. I've been so frustrated in my search for ways to make money online for months, but nothing has looked to work. And I haven't made any money online during that time. You've already aroused your audience's curiosity by starting with that. This is important because you want people to believe you're telling the truth so they can trust and relate to you as you look for online money-making chances. As a result, when you say something like this, people will feel more at ease with you and will be able to relate to you, making them more open to hearing your ideas and whatever else you have to say. Thank God my luck changed just a few days ago, you might say today. I discovered this great method of making money online, and it's even 100% free. You might say it now. As a result, I can confidently declare that this script works. Please leave a comment below if you need aid or instruction, and I'll email you a short reply with all of the specifics. There will be a lot of clicks and recommendations for you. Simply copy the scripts and return to Facebook group where you will simply compose a message using the script I just demonstrated. Before posting, simply copy and paste it into the box. This strategy can be used in a number of different Facebook groups. You can certainly post many times per day. Take notice that you may join dozens of other Facebook groups for free, and that this is only the first step because once you publish, a boatload of different people will react to your post and make comments telling you that they want to learn more about this strategy. You're talking about the next move you need to take. People who commented on your post should be added to your Facebook friends list. Once you've added them and they've accepted your request, and you've become Facebook friends, you'll send them those two messages. Right now, this is just an example. So change the data that needs to be changed. Alright Jane, you asked for more information about the best money-making software. And as promised, here is a confidential link where you can sign up for free. And right now, you can get $5 bonus if you sign up with this code, which is your referral code. And the link is to the iRazoo website. Now, this is one of the few websites where you can earn commission simply by referring others to it. So you'll get money on iRazoo whenever others join. If you want another additional stream of income, you can also check out this money-making website over here. I want you to send the second message to everyone who engages with your post on Facebook groups, and the URL you'll be sending them is your referral link to the superpay.me website. Now, all you have to do is send these two messages to everyone who comments on your Facebook group post. Simply mark the messages, copy them, and forward them to everyone who is interested on Facebook Messenger to get a lot of free referrals. If you don't get banned or ejected out of Facebook groups, this is definitely something you could do in the long run. Just keep doing what you're doing and the money will come in. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you earn money online by simply using Facebook for free. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.